6 U.S. Marines and 2 Nepalese soldiers were aboard a UH-1 Huey helicopter when it disappeared Tuesday in Nepal, according to reports. U.S. Pacific Command told that the helicopter went missing around 10 p.m. local time near Chirakote, Nepal. The team had been sent to help with relief and rescue efforts following that it registered a 7.3 magnitude Tuesday, killing at least 36 people and injuring more than 1,000. The chopper lost radio contact, but there are no indications that it crashed, reports. The emergency beacon aboard has not been triggered, although the signal may be lost in the remote area. The search for the aircraft and personnel will resume Wednesday at dawn.